Once you add all the photos, videos, 360 images that you would like to have for your project, what can we do? We can export our file because we want to have a clean documentation, as we said. So we're here inside the project. In the photo section, we tap on See All, and from here, top right, we can export what we need. We could start with a web gallery, for example. We can add a title. We can call it Gallery 1. If we want, we could add a description, and here we have the photo info. If there's something that we would like to hide, we simply deactivate that and we publish to the web. Give it a second. Okay, and here we have it. So you can see that everything is listed here. Everyone will be able to interact with your content. So every client, every colleague, if you're sending the web gallery over, then, for example, they want to open the video, they can watch it, right? So it's super simple because then everyone sees the exact same thing and everyone is on the same page. Another thing that you could do is also exporting, same toggle, top right. We could export a PDF here, right? So we could also call it Gallery 2. We could add a description if we want. We have also here the photo info, and we generate a PDF. Here we go. And exactly as for your web gallery, every single element is interactive. So here, if we want to take a look at the 360 tour, we could tap on play, and we could take a look around and see where is the damage, what is happening in our property, right? So very useful because also here everyone sees the exact same documentation, and you can see here, right, everything that has been annotated, the part that's blurred because we wanted to hide it, and here the main photo of our property. And last but not least, if we add 360 tours, we can also tap on the export toggle and export just 360 tours directly. Here we have the title and all the info. We publish the tour. And here we go. I close the info section so you can see if you have more 360 tours, they will all be listed here as miniatures. If they're hiding something important on your photo, you can of course hide the miniature, and here you can always open the info section whenever you need it. And here, maybe just as a side note, if we tap on this toggle, we can share these 360 tours directly with anyone. Could be airdrop, email, anything that you see here.